Lexus has made waves in the electric vehicle (EV) market with the release of the 2025 Lexus RZ, offering a more affordable entry point for buyers who are looking to get into the world of luxury electric SUVs. This new version of the Lexus RZ, which replaces the more expensive 2024 model, promises to deliver the same premium features and electric performance, but at a significantly lower price. When the 2024 Lexus RZ was launched, it turned heads with its stylish design and impressive electric driving capabilities. However, its price tag was a bit on the higher end, which limited its accessibility to a certain segment of buyers. Enter the 2025 Lexus RZ, which introduces a new entry-level model that's aimed at making this luxury electric SUV much more affordable without sacrificing the quality and features Lexus is known for. The new entry-level RZ provides a more accessible starting price by lowering the base cost, making it an attractive option for those who want a luxurious yet eco-friendly ride. While the top-tier versions of the RZ still boast advanced performance features and more powerful configurations, the 2025 model opens the door to a larger pool of potential buyers who might have otherwise been put off by the high starting price of the 2024 model. Despite being the entry-level version, the 2025 Lexus RZ does not skimp on performance or luxury. This electric SUV is built on the same Toyota e-TNGA platform, shared with other Toyota and Lexus electric vehicles, which ensures that it offers an impressive balance of comfort, performance, and efficiency. The entry-level RZ is still equipped with all-wheel drive, providing excellent traction and handling in a variety of driving conditions. In terms of performance, the 2025 RZ offers a single-motor setup in the rear-wheel drive configuration, which produces a respectable amount of power for everyday driving needs. It may not be as powerful as the dual-motor all-wheel drive versions of the RZ, but it's more than enough to offer a smooth, quiet, and responsive driving experience that fits the needs of most drivers. In addition to its electric powertrain, the 2025 Lexus RZ comes with a host of luxury features, including a premium cabin with high-quality materials, advanced technology systems, and Lexus Safety System Plus. Inside, you'll find the same elegant design and layout found in the higher trims, with a 12.3-inch digital display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and a 10-speaker sound system as standard. The interior offers ample space for both passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for families or individuals who need versatility from their vehicle. One of the most important factors for any EV buyer is the range, and the 2025 Lexus RZ delivers a respectable range on a full charge. Thanks to its efficient powertrain and sleek design, the entry-level RZ is capable of covering over 220 miles on a full charge, which is perfect for daily commuting and longer road trips. It's important to note that while the range may not be as long as some of the more expensive electric SUVs, it's still well within the range of competitors and meets the needs of most drivers. With the rise of affordable EVs, many buyers are concerned about charging infrastructure, but Lexus has partnered with key networks to ensure that owners of the RZ will have access to a wide range of charging stations across the country. Fast charging capability is also available, allowing drivers to quickly recharge their vehicle during long journeys. On the outside, the 2025 Lexus RZ retains the striking, futuristic design that made the 2024 model such an eye-catching vehicle. It features the sleek lines, sharp angles, and Lexus signature spindle grille, all of which come together to create a vehicle that is both elegant and dynamic. The entry-level RZ keeps the bold styling that Lexus is known for while offering a slightly more streamlined and simplified version of the design elements found in higher trims. The interior continues to impress with its focus on comfort and high-end materials. Even though this is the base model, Lexus has ensured that buyers still get a taste of luxury, with soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and a well-designed cockpit. The cabin is designed with a minimalist, high-tech aesthetic, featuring a large touchscreen display, a heads-up display, and a center console that includes easy access to controls for climate, media, and driving modes. With the introduction of the 2025 Lexus RZ and its new entry-level pricing, Lexus is positioning itself as a leader in the affordable luxury EV market. The lower price point makes it a viable option for a wider range of consumers, particularly those looking for a luxury SUV with eco-friendly performance. It's clear that Lexus is committed to expanding its electric lineup and providing consumers with more choices in the growing electric vehicle market. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or an eco-friendly family vehicle, the 2025 Lexus RZ provides an attractive package that combines luxury, performance, and value. The new entry-level model might not have all the bells and whistles of the higher-end trims, but it offers the same core qualities that have made Lexus a sought-after brand: comfort, quality, and reliability.